I had to fix my feet and this arm.
Oh god, your feet came off.
And this.
Got room for 2 in there? I should make a miller.
See, it's like you look at me and you can tell that I'm part of two different crocodiles because as it goes down.
You ate like a small animal bats and your legs disappeared.
No, if you look at me, it's like you can see because the spikes down my back are orange instead of red.
Yes, I understood the difference.
I am a homunculus.
So,
Can't you tell?
Snake just you see the Pidgey.
What? I'm a homunculus. I'm a homunculus. Hey! Hey! You should find the computer room. Who said that?
Find the computer room!
Nothing.
Hey baby! Aren't you sexy?
Filled up my screen and it was like, oh god, your mouth is in my mouth, get it out!
I bet you like it like that. Smooch, 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 smooch.
And I
oh baby, oh baby, don't play hard to get.
Oh god.
Nom nom nom. Do you know what's funny about this antenna?
Building a sentry.
Sonic Blue?
Yeah?
Ooh.
Yeah? It's after class because I don't have class right now. I don't usually play in the daytime anymore. Don't be angry. Okay. Jeez.
Are you being mad?
I'm not being mad, it's just my boss Jay was suddenly behind me and I was like, oh god.
Like, oh. You're like, hi, how you doing? I'm playing game. You're like, but no class. Like, oh. Baby,
I have no class.
why you acting like that?
Because I have a gun, but I have also lasers that I can't detach. They're emerald attachment, and that attachment is not on second viewer.
Way to go.
So I randomly send shoot a laser. It's like, hey, have an assault rifle and throw a laser bomb.
All you need to do is replace Avatar and we'll get rid of them.
No, it doesn't though.
It doesn't?
No, every time I sign back on, I have laser.
Well, where are the laser eyes then?
They're a second attachment or something.
No, just find them floating somewhere and then right click on them and go detach.
Well, they're probably far away by now.
I'm moving this.
No, they follow you around.
The control point is being contested.
How dare you? My stitching can come undone any second, bitch. Yeah, 3% done, yeah! Fuck yeah!
Okay, so you should copy it even with the number being copied.
Aw, yeah.
Slut muffin.
Mission ends in 60 seconds.
Silly slut muffin. Tricks are for kids.
Not tricks. Anyway.
Shut up, slut muffin.
Dispenser going up.
So we just
Oh,
let
what
nothing fix
gosh,
your
that
kids.
is.
You should stay as that sexy slut behind doors.
But if I take off my head, it's not so sexy. It's kind of bald and naked.
I like
The
my
eyes
women
are like
bald.
scary as hell.
I like my women
There are
like
no
that.
eyes.
I like my women with big lips.
Oh, well, okay then. I don't know why her lips are so huge.
Because your lips are so huge, baby.
The control point is being contested.
And then they like inflate.
Yeah, like yours. So hot.
No, it's not. I used to comment all the time like, ew. Okay.
Well, I was just jealous.
Wait, what?
Of your fascinating lips.
You all gotta run a lot faster.
It's okay. It's okay.